You can do what?
I can say 2 golden retrievers.
Okay.
2 golden retrievers.
Okay, anyway, it is December 18th, Friday,
Yes.
and we have come home,
Yes.
and Josie's sleeping.
Yes.
Keep your coat buttoned up. And something's happening here that hasn't happened since 1996.
Uh-huh.
And it's a big snowstorm.
Can I see?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
All right, okay. But I don't want you to go off the porch.
What the?
Keep walking so I can shut the door. What do you think?
Ooh, pretty.
Yeah, it is pretty.
Was it? Mommy, I think the snow is S-O-E-E-I-E-I.
What does that spell?
It means doing like a,
Ooh, what was that?
and a
Jeez.
car fell off.
I don't know.
Oh no.
Here, look at our lights, Sean. These are our candy canes. They're completely buried.
Yeah, I know
This is like a Chicago winter, Chicago snowstorm. Uh-oh, here comes a car. Watch. I hope maybe we can see. Oh, a truck. He's going pretty fast. He's trying to make it up the hill. He wasn't having too much trouble. Where's Daddy?
He's at work tonight,
And what's he doing at work?
helping his boss.
And how's he helping him? What's he doing?
He's going to wash the bank.
He's washing it? I thought he was pushing snow.
Oh, he's pushing snow
Yeah.
and trying to push it for people to get dry.
For people to be able to drive. But people should just stay home. They don't need to go to the bank, right? Because, wow, look at all the snow.
So,
It's a recycling bin, all completely piled up.
show off. Here comes another car. Look.
He's going slower. That's good. Oh! A bunch just fell off. It's getting weighed down. Our bushes are getting weighed down.
Yeah, it's getting piles.
And look how, I think it's neat how it's buried our lights. Wow. So anything else you want to say about the snow?
Yes.
What?
I hear something. And I can hear it across the snow.
Oh, you know.
Santa knows Rudolph.
You know what it is? Linda and David across the street have a radio or some kind of speaker that's playing music.
Can we go see him in the morning?
Oh, I don't know, maybe in the morning, but it's playing Christmas music like all the time. You can hardly hear it though. There's their house right across the street with all the lights.
Because,
And
Mommy,
there's Miss Betty Amos's house. She's out of town.
hey Mom, did you know Mama and Papa? Maybe my race car is covered with snow and you can't see the wind.
Yeah, that's probably true. Though I bet they have it inside.
I can bet they have it outside.
No.
Mom, look at these lights.
Ooh, yeah. Oh gosh, yeah, those bushes are completely buried.
No, look at this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's glowing through the snow.
It's gonna be a hard day digging all around our lights and digging all around it.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be tough.
Yeah.
We gotta get Dad's shovel and my shovel.
Are you gonna help?
Yes. Mommy, I can believe they said, you wanna see where the car that smashing car was, Mom?
The smashing car?
Yeah, the smash car where it
Oh, you-
fell. Where it
Oh,
fell.
that sound that we heard?
No, that smash. It's like on the radio. We heard the car.
Oh, about that car that had the accident?
You know what I saw on the news?
What?
It was a red car, and it was on the other side of the road, facing the sidewalk.
Oh my gosh.
That's what happened. Facing the first road of the sidewalk,
Mm-hmm.
and it was like this big.
Whoa. Well, that's scary, huh?
Hey, Mom, look at those lights.
Yeah. Everything looks really funny because it's all covered up. It's got a blanket of snow.
Let's see if I can smash this fruit.
No, no, no. You're supposed to stay on the porch because you're not really dressed for being out in the snow. So get back up here, Sean. Come on.
Okay.
No, but you start there, and the next thing you know, you'll be down. But wow, I think I am gonna come out here and shovel.
Can I help?
Not now, but there'll be a lot more tomorrow. Because you know what? They're calling for 10 more inches of snow tomorrow, and I would say we probably have, I don't know,
Mommy,
4,
Mommy,
5, 6 already, maybe.
Mommy, hey, Mom, I know how many weeks you can pile these up. Let me count how many candy canes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 candy canes.
So do you think tomorrow they'll be completely covered?
Yep.
We'll have to come check because the
Hey,
weatherman
Mom,
says all tonight
and
and
we're
all
gonna
day
have
tomorrow.
And we're gonna have 2 lights for this day, and 7 lights for that day. So we have to do all that. And and those lights. Ooh, that's really gonna be hard.
You think we're just going to be shoveling to get the snow off the lights?
Yes, because that's the
No.
only way we can take the lights out.
Everybody has a cough. All right, speaking of, we should go inside because it's cold out here. Say goodnight.
Fine.
Look at me and say goodnight.
Good night.
Good night to all of our family.
Hey, Bobby.
What?
I hope Dad's gonna stay home today.
Tomorrow, you mean? Yeah. Yeah, me too. I hope so too. I'm sure Josie hopes so too. It's more fun when Dad's here, right?
Yeah, because we can take them for.
We can get into a snow fight.
Yeah. The snow's a lot squishier than right now.
Yeah, it's pretty cold out here too, isn't it?
Ooh, feel my hands now.
No. Ah, it's cold. But you only have your SpongeBob pajama bottoms and this coat. You don't even have a shirt on, so... Alright, we really will go in now. Good night.